bald eagle. Very calm and deep. And gotta get down here. Ooh. 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 So here we are. This is
basic points of our fishing. And as you can see, there's a bunch of fish down there right now. I'm gonna get right into it. So let's just set this up. A couple smallies, I think. A lot of smallies. A lot of smallies. Yeah, so this for a long time. Just hop it. I don't know if I need to throw something a little bit smaller because these are pretty small fish. Hop that.
got one. Ah, no, get out of the rocks. Get out of the rocks. Please get out of the rocks. Please get out of the rocks. Whew. Oh, man. Got him good. Whew. Pretty big rock bass. Oh, man. Yes. Yes. Oh, what a fish. It's a big rock bass for this creek. Well, I'm gonna get some pictures and I'll be right back. Okay, if any of you guys wanted to know what I fish with, this is what I fish with. Just a really head-on tiny torpedo, a little grub, rooster tail, another rooster tail, this rainbow trout thing, spoons, big white grub, and then on the other side I have a head-on tiny torpedo in a different color. The thing I was using today, the little grub ribbit spinner, bronze spinner, rooster tail, little popper, big spoon, bunch of big rooster tails, and then a couple more spinners and rooster tails. That's basically what I fish with. And oh, and I also fish. This is what I was microfishing with. Very, very tiny little rooster tail spinnerbait bug thing. I think it's for fly fishing more than spinner fishing, but size of the hook on this, if I can focus, it's very, very small. But that's, oh shoot. Well, that stinks. Just broke my tackle box. Oh, fishing fail. I can label this fishing fail now. Dumb fisherman breaks tackle box. That's what I can label this. Well, that's it for me, guys. Bye. Unfortunately, it's really all the rest I can fish today. And I only caught that one rock bass, as you can see. But I did manage to cross the creek. Just a duck. I didn't see it because of glare, but it was just a duck. So, win some, lose some. I say it was success just because I caught one big fish out of here and not multiple tiny fish. But, and that happened too. That's part of the reason why I'm done too. Oh, that so juicy tangles. I ain't gonna be able to get that. So I'm just gonna cut it and then I'm gonna head back to my house for the day. And that's pretty much. And catch all you guys in the next video. First catching. And, well, I mean, until the spring and stuff, this is just gonna be creek fishing all the time. Because I don't have anywhere else to fish, which is a problem. Trying to cross the creek as carefully as I can. Not trying to make anything difficult. And I could fish down there next time. There's just a bunch of suckers and stuff down there. Whew, sketchy, sketchy, sketchy. It's not that fast. I mean, up there's faster moving, but it's like 2 foot of water. Not even, I mean like 2 inches of water. About. So if you're doing the French Creek float, if you live around here, you gotta pick up your kayak there and walk until you get to like almost a pond almost. It's how calm the water is there. Barely moves, even slower than this right here and that up there. So I'm just signing off and catch all you guys in the next one. Peace.